have you. I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elaina. Today we're doing the dining room part of the fall decorations. This is what my dining room looks like before any decorations. Just wanted to give y'all kind of an overview. And now we're going to get into cleaning and decorating. Hope you enjoy. So I'm going to start by just removing everything off of this is my china closet, y'all. This is what I use as a china closet. So I'm going to remove everything off of here first, give it a nice good wipe down, and then we'll put everything back and start adding decorations. I'm using I think it's the Mrs. Meyer's lemon. At this point, I still didn't get the fall scents yet. So you'll see a lot of me changing outfits, and you'll see different cleaners in this video because this has been over a few weeks that we were decorating, and like I said before in the other video, some things changed. Well, a lot of things changed, some things stayed the same, and we just got more decorations and more items as time went on. So you'll see some changes here and there, but some stuff stayed the same too. So I got these little pumpkin milk jugs from Walmart. I didn't have these at the time of the haul, but like I said before, as time went on, as I was decorating over the weeks, we picked up more items from various stores. So a lot of the things you'll see in the video will be stuff that we got after the haul. I also got this garland from Walmart, and then you're going to see me putting on the maple leaves that I got from Dollar Tree. I had a couple of those left, so I just needed somewhere to stick them, and I felt like this was a really good place to kind of accent the garland with the glitter, so I used it here. Okay, so on to my dining room table, y'all. This, we went through so many changes with this table. I swear we probably changed it about 3 or 4 times. And I still don't think we're satisfied with it, but we're working on it. And in the last video that you're gonna see of the home tour, it will be absolutely completely finished. But yeah, just stay tuned. This is like the first time decorating the table that you're about to see, and then I did it a second time because we just were not satisfied. So stay tuned, watch. I'm just clearing the table off right now, and then I'm going to wash all the dishes in the dishwasher that can fit, and then we'll start resetting the table. And so by this time, I got my hands on the Method Honey Apple Crisp, I think it is, cleaner, multi-purpose cleaner, and I like this one too. I did get the Mrs. Myers, but at this time, I wasn't able to find it. So yeah, I'm using the Method cleaner today. I got this bouquet from Hobby Lobby. I wanted to make a centerpiece with it, so you're gonna see it around, and it costs $21.99 as you saw. Yeah, so you're gonna see me put a centerpiece down on the table. I'm sorry I didn't, film putting it together, making the actual bouquet in the vase, but it was pretty much me just sticking that bouquet into the vase. Yeah, pretty simple. So initially, I was trying to make this all work with pretty much what I had left, with the exception of just a few things we had gone back to the store for. This was another leaf garland from the Dollar Tree that I had left over. And there is the centerpiece, as you can see, the bouquet of flowers. Yeah, then I bought these from Amazon. These are napkin ring holders. And so, yeah, everything, I tried to keep it like silver and gold. I even bought some silver placemats at one point, but they didn't work out. I didn't like the way they looked up against, all of the creams and the autumn colors. So I took the placemats out, and just decided to go with a plain table just like this with the chargers and the napkins. So yeah, but you'll see the change. Remember these? They were from when I made my centerpiece in the kitchen. So I just thought I would jazz up the table, throw in a little bit more color because I had so many left. Yeah, just kind of give the table a little bit more pizzazz, because there were like some blank spots. So I wanted to fill them in. And I thought these little pumpkins and leaves would be the perfect little accent. This is how it turns out, you guys. Like I said, I was trying to work with what I had at that time. So yeah, this was the end result.
I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin.
So by this time, I finally found the Mrs. Myers cleaner. I was able to get both fragrances, the acorn and the apple cider. I think I was using the apple cider in this video, and I was super, super excited because it smells so, so good. So we decided to go with a tablecloth the second time around. And I really like the tablecloth a lot better. It just kind of fills the table for me. Um, yeah, so I got this off of Amazon, and it was a little bit longer than I expected, so I'm probably going to switch that out. But I'm going to still have the same color, and then also this runner came from Amazon as well.
So stay by my side. Come on close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side.
So these placemats came from Amazon. You're going to see some silverware in the next few minutes, as well as some more napkin rings, napkin ring holders, and they all came from Amazon.
Side, wanna be by your side.
Believe it or not, I got these chargers at the Dollar Tree.
Stay by my side. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you.
We also decided to go with a new centerpiece. We thought this was much, much better than that vase that we had up there. Like I said, it just looked a little sparse to us. So we wanted to fill the table, and I love this centerpiece. It's gorgeous. Came from Hobby Lobby, by the way.
Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone.
Okay, so I'm redressing the table with the decorations that we had before. Like I said, some things stayed the same, and so I'm just putting these little pieces back out. And this is pretty much it. Let me show you the final result. I think it came out super, super pretty. What do you guys think?
And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
So this is how everything turned out. I hope you all enjoyed. I had a really good time decorating my house, shopping for decorations and everything. This was my first time, as I stated before, decorating for the fall season. Everything just looks so pretty with all the colors. So I hope you all enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for the final finale video, the full home tour. And I will see y'all in another video. I love and appreciate you all.